Have you ever sat down to write a song and felt a barrier in your way? Like you want to express yourself, but you don't have permission to. And it becomes so frustrating that you think, I can't be fucking bothered. I've spent more than 20 years writing songs on the guitar, and I've been in this exact situation on multiple occasions. So in this video, I want to show you how to overcome these creative blocks and understand the real reason behind them. Now the question is, why is trying to write a song so frustrating? Well, this has got much worse in recent years. You know what it's like when you're looking for guitar lessons or tips on YouTube. All the videos look so promising, but when you get into it, you're presented with this amazing playing that is impossible for any normal person to achieve. Or you're searching for basic songwriting ideas, and all you get presented are advanced theories by music gurus. I'm hardly a genius, but I am guilty of overloading videos with information that is hard to follow. You wanted some inspiration to kickstart your creativity, and instead you got bombarded with information which just leaves you thinking, what's the point? I've always struggled with this, and in recent years, alongside health issues and limited energy, it's difficult to be inspired creatively. I'm sure you're the same, already knackered and burnt out from real life. And to top it off, now we have to compete with AI. You can write a prompt and it will generate any sort of music you can imagine in seconds. All those years of trying to write a song and a computer is better than you. No wonder the temptation of that next Netflix program is so strong. At least it doesn't end up with you feeling useless. There are so many distractions now, it's a miracle that anyone finishes writing songs. Everyone on YouTube seems to be a genius and AI can spit out better music in seconds. All the while your own guitar just sits there, like a constant reminder that you're not doing the thing you said you would. So if you're not writing songs now, why did you get into songwriting in the first place? For me, it started shortly after I learned to play the guitar. I wanted to become a fast metal lead player. I used to practice speed mechanics exercises to try and perfect Flight of the Bumblebee on my beginner's Ibanez guitar. However, all of this hard work was pretty useless when it came to writing music for my first band. This is where my focus shifted and an interest in songwriting began. I learned some basic theory from a book and it helped me to write songs. I can't say any of the songs were very good, but I fell in love with the process. My motivation had switched. It was more about being able to express myself through writing songs than trying to impress people. As time went on, my priorities changed. Later in life, I had a phase of really getting into fingerstyle guitar and diving more into the acoustic. This coincided with having less time to play in the band, but still wanting to write songs. There were also periods where I didn't play or write at all, and particularly as we get older, creativity can fade as life gets in the way. But at each stage of my songwriting journey, there was a key focus or point of inspiration. This is all it takes to reignite the flame. You didn't get into making music to be perfect. You got into this because something about songwriting pulled you in, and deep down it still does. This will help you in your goal of getting past creative blocks and understanding the real reason behind them. But to get there, I need to ask you an important question. Do you think that songwriting is just a technical skill? Do you think that you only have to master music theory and then you'll write amazing songs? Well, I'm going to attempt to prove you wrong now. You might be thinking that songwriting is your escape from all this real life shit and how you're feeling. Can't you just show me how to write better songs on the guitar? But understanding why you are really frustrated with songwriting can be the biggest unlock to future creativity. And like it or not, this is a very personal thing and something which is always evolving and changing. So have a think about why you want to write songs. And if this seems like an impossible task, here are a few ideas for you. First of all, writing songs can give you a sense of achievement or completion. Just the act of creating something, however simple or basic, can really be a source of motivation and inspiration. Maybe you're lacking this in other parts of life, so it can be a great outlet. It can also be a private way to express yourself, which is really cathartic. Remember, no one actually has to ever hear your song if you don't want them to. So don't be afraid to tap into joy, heartbreak, confusion, or hope in a structured way. And even your frustration with music can be a source of inspiration. It helps you to create something new or something that you want to hear and that you can't find anywhere else. So if it feels like everything has been done before, take this anger and use it to make more of what you want to hear. You might think your songwriting problem is a skill issue, but the real barrier is emotional. You're trying to create something meaningful without reconnecting to why it matters. What I've also noticed is that writing songs doesn't require you to be famous, good looking or charming, or even pretend to be any of these things. Instead, it lets you take back control and process the trials of life in a structured way. But why is songwriting so good for this? As I've shown you through the video, I know what it's like to work on countless ideas and come up with nothing. Being able to write songs is the answer to your life's challenges and problems, even when it feels like it's the source of many of them. The process of songwriting is a vehicle for your own expression. It can give you purpose and allow you to reflect on things. Or put another way, it's like packaging up an issue into something else, helping you to move forward. Your own thoughts and feelings, whether positive or negative, are a constant source of songwriting inspiration. And this isn't just about lyrics. What we've learned influences all aspects of a song. So even if, like me, you prefer just writing instrumental songs for your own consumption, it doesn't matter. It's personalised just to you. This is the most important thing. Songwriting for yourself is all that matters. When you narrow your focus to just writing a song for an audience of one, things become clearer and simpler. While you might feel like other parts of life have stolen some of your identity, songwriting is a friend that's always there and who understands you. When you stop writing to impress and start writing to express, songwriting becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a way to reconnect with yourself. Now you've got your songwriting mojo back, it can be difficult to channel this new energy productively. The first steps to writing songs are simple, but without them you're going to become frustrated again. So check out this video where I'll give you 4 simple tips to write a song on the guitar.